welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. We are the second week of this ad cycle and thank you all for joining me once again. I appreciate all the love and support you all show me. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I found some items that you can use if you're doing the spend 30 get 10 and you just need a few dollars to reach your 30. Most of the items you're looking at are part of this deal and the cheapest they have here is the CVS alcohol prep pads, the 120 count. It's priced at $3.49 and I'm only mentioning this in case anybody needs it. I know the second week can be a little bit hard if you have the threshold CRT. I have some simple deals in this video that gives extra care box back that you can use as a filler item. The first deal I have is spend 10 get $5 back on Colgate Total Oral Care and you can pick up the toothpaste priced at $5.29 and also the mouthwash priced at $6.29. If your store matches the price in the app, you can ask them to adjust it because it shows $5.49 instead of $6.29 and that can make a little difference. Going with the prices on the shelf, your total will be $11.88. We have a $3 digital coupon for the toothpaste and a $3 digital coupon for the mouthwash. That will take us $6, dropping it down to $5.88 and you get 5 back, making both just 88 cents or 44 cents each. My next deal is on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half and when you buy two, you get $5 back. If your store have the eye makeup remover, that will be cheaper, but my store is out. They only have the blackhead eliminating scrub. Pick up two, priced at $9.99. The second one will be $5. And these two will total $14.99. We have a $2 digital coupon and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $10.99 and you get 5 back, making both just $5.99 or $3 each. My next deal is spend 15 get 5 back on Burt's Bees Facial Care. Pick up the Calming Sheet Mask priced at $3.59 and the Gentle Cream Cleanser priced at $11.49. These two will total $15.08. We don't have any coupon, but if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. If you don't have the percentage of CRT, pay the $15.08 and get 5 back. Check your fetch because it's giving back 2,000 points when you spend 8 and it's a limit of 2. That means you will get back 2,000 points, which will end up making these two just $8.08 or $4.04 each. But if you can get to $16, this does not follow the 98% rule. Make sure you're spending 16 and you will get back 4,000 points from fetch. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 4 back on Peach Slices Acne Care. Pick up two 30 patches acne spot dots priced at $4.99 each. Pay that and get $4 back, making both just $5.98 or $3 each. The next deal I have is buy any fragrance body mist and you get $2 back. And with this deal, you can do it in multiple ways and it will make a good filler item. I checked the cheapest items they have at my store. The one you're looking at is priced at $7.99 and that's the Calgon Morning Glory. Pay the $7.99 and get $2 back, making it just $5.99. And you can see another body mist priced at $6.99. You pay the $6.99 and you get $2 back, making it just $4.99. And the CR7 is priced at $7.49. Pay that and get 2 back, making it just $5.49. The next easy deal that will also make a good filler item will be on Sally Hansen Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. They're on the deal of spend 8 get $2 back. Pick up the Instad Dry priced at $7.99 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 8. Pay the $7.99 and get 2 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back and the Dove hand wash is part of this deal. They are priced at $5.79, so pick up 2 and both will total $11.58. I have a 2 off 2 any Dove product coupon from Unilever email. If you have one, you can use it with this deal, and that will drop it down to $9.58, and you get 4 back, making them just $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal I have is on 20 ounces Zest Indulgence Body Wash. They're on the deal of buy one get two back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up one is priced at $4.99. Pay the $4.99 and get $2 back, making it just $2.99. And this will also make a good filler item. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $3 back, and so many CVS brand items are included in this deal, and most of them have Ibotta rebates attached to them. The one I'm sharing will be on the body wash. They are priced at $4.99. Pick up 3, and the 3 will total $14.97. Pay the $14.97 and you get $3 back, and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. That will be a total of $6 back from Ibotta, which will end up making them just $5.97 or $1.99 each. Another way you can do this deal if you want to stick to body wash is to pick up 5 1 plus other body wash priced at $2.99 each, and 5 of them will total $14.95. Pay that and get $3 back. With this body wash, when you submit your receipt to Ibotta, it's giving back $1 on each, and that will be a total of $5, which will end up making them just $6.95 or $1.39 each. If you didn't do this deal last week and you still have a few left like mine, you can still pick it up this week because we still have the $2 digital coupon. And that will be on the Iris Spring Body Wash. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $2 back. Pick up one, use the $2 digital coupon, and it will drop it down to $2.99, and you get $2 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have is on Axe Body Spray. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $7.49 each, and both will total $14.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.98, and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Fetch. It's giving back 1,000 points when you spend 10, and it's a limit of 5. After the 1,000 points from Fetch, which is almost $1, it will end up making these two just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on LOreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner, and they're on sale for $4.99. Pick up 2, both will total $9.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and it will drop it down to $6.98, and you get 2 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is on Clairol hair color, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 1 permanent natural looking color priced at $10.49, and pick up 1 of the root touch-up priced at $10.49. These two will total $20.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon, and it will drop it down to $14.98, and you get $4 back. Submit your receipt to Shopkick for 710 kicks for each box. 700 kicks is when you submit your receipt, and the 10 kicks is when you scan them in the store. And the reason you're picking up 2 different boxes is because we have 2 different deals on Shopkick. With these 2 boxes, you will get back 1,420 kicks, which is $5.68 for both or $2.84 each. And after the extra care box and the money from Shopkick, these 2 boxes will end up costing just $5.30 or $2.65 each. The next items I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Garnier Fructis hair fillers. They are more expensive than the regular Garnier Fructis we normally pick up, and most of them are on clearance. Some on clearance for 25% off, and some on clearance for 50% off. I'm only showing this because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that you can use to make it cheaper. My next deal is on Purex detergent. It's on sale for $8.99, and when you buy one, you get $5 back. Pick up 1. We have a $3 digital coupon that you can use that will drop you down to $5.99, and you get 5 back, making it just 99 cents. I have 3 examples of spend 30 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1 per week. And the first one I have is to pick up 2 Always Ultra Thin pad priced at $8.29 each and 1 Tide detergent priced at $14.99. All 3 will total $31.57. We only have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and that will drop it down to $28.57, and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each Always. That will be a total of $4 back from Ibotta, which will end up making them just $14.57 or $4.86 each. The second option I have is to pick up the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 and the Airwick Essential Starter Kit on sale for $11.99. Pick up the Lysol Air Sanitizer on sale for $9.99 and 2 Kleenex boxes on sale for 2 for $4. All 5 items will total $31.97. From today's savings set, we have a $2 coupon for the Dawn Power Wash, and we have a $6 off digital coupon for the Airwick, a $3 digital coupon for the Lysol Air Sanitizer, and $1 digital coupon for the Kleenex. That will take off $12, dropping it down to $19.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $9.97 or $1.99 each. The last option I have for the spend 30 is to pick up 1 Boost nutritional drink priced at $11.99, 1 Airwick Essential Kit on sale for $11.99, and lastly 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use a $4 digital coupon for the Boost, $6 off Airwick digital coupon, and a $2 off Dawn Power Wash coupon from 1110 savings set. That will take off $12 and drop it down to $17.97, and you get 10 back, and it will make these 3 items just $7.97 or $2.66 each. And this concludes my video for today. I hope it was helpful. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.